Hey everyone, Irit here, and I want to tell you a few exciting things. I'm sorry about my voice, I'm getting over a cold. Who like to make quick decisions, I'm happy to let you know that my Joyful Art Habit course is open again for enrollment. This course is all about creating that daily creative habit, even if you only have, 10-15 minutes a day to do so. I walk you through the whole process, and we actually started today, but this week is prep week, so we're gathering our supplies and just getting started, like dabbling with some swatching and color stuff, which I love. So even if you join us this week, we're only actually starting painting next week. But as you can hear from my voice, I am getting over a cold, and so I wasn't able to make this video a few days ago, and that's why it's all kind of last moment. But I hope that you will join us, and I only run this course twice a year. The next time will be in 2024, probably at the beginning of the year, but I won't be running this course this year again. This is really for those of you who prioritize your artwork and you want to sit down and paint daily, but you just can't figure out how to do that with your busy schedule, with maybe your limited space, maybe you're overwhelmed by supplies, and it's just the getting started and getting into the habit is really blocking you, and you feel frustrated about it. So this course addresses that, and I really hope that you will join us. We had the first run in June, and it was just amazing and so inspiring to see what people created. The focus is really on that daily practice, and also in the process kind of perfecting your own unique process and finding your voice. So it's just a really fun course. It is 5 weeks long. This week, as I'm recording this video, it is Monday, September 18th, I want to say. This week is prep week, so we're just like gathering supplies. We're not actually starting to paint yet. We start next week. So next week is kind of the official start, and that's 4 weeks plus this prep week. Now, if you already enrolled in this course, you are welcome to join us again for the live run. You don't have to buy it again. You can always join us. That's what I wanted when I created the course, so that you have that extra accountability to have another 4 weeks that you're more committed maybe than usual. Another exciting thing that I am so happy to talk about is that I'm going to offer a few scholarships for this course, and I'll tell you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for artists or creatives that are fully committed to show up and paint daily and share their progress and experience in the Facebook group, be there to support their fellow course creators. And if you have a social media platform, if you're active on Instagram, that would definitely be a plus. So you can apply for that. Again, if you're good with making quick decisions, because we're starting already, then write me an email. I will leave my email below, or you can DM me on Instagram. And of course, I encourage you to apply, but for a scholarship, if you can't afford to pay the course price. The course costs $99, and I know not everyone can afford that. So if that is you and you are a highly motivated artist that wants to paint daily, then please apply. But I would also really love for those of you that are either in the course or just watching this video, and you have someone in your mind that you would want to gift the course to them, and they can't afford to purchase it, I would love to do that for you. I would love to help out that person. So if you have someone in your world, a relative, a loved one, a friend, or whatever, that you want them to be a part of the course, or you're enrolled in the course and you want to have your bestie artsy friend there also, then please email me and tell me about this person and why you think they would be like a good fit for the course. I am so excited to be able to do this, and Of course, those of you that do purchase the course, of course, you also help me make that happen for other people who can't afford to. Yeah, let me know. I am going to make this video short. I just wanted to tell you about it. You can find the link to the course like website and webpage where you can find all the details, everything that is included in the course. It is jam-packed full of content and bonuses and PDFs, and of course there are like daily videos. That is always the meat of my courses. It is you know, HD video content that you get daily during the week, from Monday to Friday, daily videos during the course duration. And it's just such a fun experience. And you know, when you finish the course and you have that sketchbook that is full of your art or a pile of papers, it is so satisfying and you really feel accomplished, and you know, you have that base for the rest of your creative journey. And so I highly recommend taking the course. I will be closing registration at the end of the week, maybe around the weekend. So if you're interested, please join now, and the earlier the better, because we're already starting with all the prep work, and it's just, you know, it's never fun to play catch up. So I would love to see you there. There are more videos coming this week with some updates. Those of you that also kind of followed my crochet journey, I have also a little update for you on my current project that I would love to share. And yeah, again, sorry about my voice. But I also have a really fun video planned about the best mixed media art supplies that are also ADHD friendly. So I'm really excited about that video, and that hopefully will be coming this week. And yeah, I hope to see you in the course or here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, all those good stuff. I really, really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye bye.